on, fam? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to part 2 dose of banded booty focused workout. If you guys have not done part 1 yet, it's a completely different banded booty focused workout, and it's going to be in the description box, one of the top links for you guys. Wanted to let you guys know you don't have any equipment at home. Don't worry, I got you. Yeah, girl, I got your back, I got your booty. Look back at it, look back at it. So getting into this workout, I know that there are a lot of us that do not have equipment at home, but I cannot stress how valuable booty bands are. They help with glute growth, they help with shaping your glutes. They're just an amazing accessory overall to have. I'm gonna go ahead and link that link in the description box as well to take you directly to my booty bands website, and they are limited stock. These are gonna be the 4 beautiful bands that I have in stock for you guys, so I just wanted to go over them quickly. 1, they do not slide up on your legs whatsoever. They all have inner grip in them that avoids that because ain't nobody got time. We have the pink camo, the original pink booty band. As you see, the inner grip within, that's what I was talking about. This is mint. This is a mint color. Love this color so much. It's so vibrant. And then also one of my other favorites is going to be the gray camo. So those are the options that we have as far as all my booty bands, and again, the 40% off. Let's go ahead and dive into this workout. Get ready to sweat, get ready to grow these glutes. Part 2, booty band focused